Are you tired of the same old mass-produced products? Wish you could design and create your own unique, customized items? Well, the future is here, and it's called 3D printing. Absolutely. Let's look at some specific organic modeling examples where Blender or ZBrush would be the more suitable choice. Blender Clog-Free, character modeling for games or animation. Blender's sculpting tools, combined with its other modeling and animation features, make it a great choice for creating complex character models with organic shapes. The ability to seamlessly transition between sculpting, retopology, and rigging in Blender is beneficial for character development. Detailed botanical assets, Blender's sculpting capabilities, along with its powerful modeling and texture painting tools, allow for the creation of highly detailed plant models, such as intricate leaves, stems, and flowers. The integration of Blender's sculpting with its procedural modeling options, like the sapling tree add-in, makes it well-suited for generating complex organic structures. Organic environments and landscapes. Blender's sculpting tools, combined with its terrain generation and landscape modeling features, make it a solid choice for creating naturalistic environments, such as rocky formations, mountainous terrains, and organic-shaped terrain features. ZBrush Clog-Free, high-end character models for film, TV, and games. ZBrush's unparalleled sculpting capabilities, including its advanced brushes and dynamic topology, make it the go-to choice for creating hyper-detailed, high-resolution character models with intricate, organic forms. The software's integration with other 3D packages, like Maya and 3ds Max, allows for a seamless workflow for character development. Organic sculptures and digital art, ZBrush's sculpting-focused approach, and its powerful brushes and tools make it the preferred choice for creating complex, organic sculptures and detailed digital artworks. The software's ability to handle extremely high-resolution meshes and its advanced features, like UV mapping and texture painting, make it well-suited for creating museum-quality digital sculptures. Creature design and conceptualization. ZBrush's sculpting capabilities are particularly well-suited for the creation of detailed, imaginative creature designs, where intricate organic forms and textures are essential. The software's versatile tools allow for rapid iteration and exploration of different creature concepts. In summary, Blender is a great all-around choice for organic modeling, particularly for game assets, botanical elements, and natural environments, while ZBrush is the industry standard for high-end, professional-level organic sculpting, such as hyper-detailed characters, sculptures, and conceptual creatures. Don't miss out on this game-changing technology. Click that subscribe button below and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. And in the description, you'll find links to some of the best 3D printers and accessories to get you started on your 3D printing journey. What are you waiting for? The future is now.